G'day folks. I just wanted to do a real quick vid on how best to clean a glass pipe if you are a medical marijuana smoker. Like myself, I do smoke marijuana straight without tobacco products, and I found that this is the greatest way to keep my health and fitness in check by using the mouthpiece. Mouth P-E-A-C-E are the original makers, I believe, of this. This is a copy, Billy Mate, but these are designed to go in bongs and it filters out the resin, stops it from getting into your lungs. But this is a great technique. I swear by it. I'm a daily user. I only use a small amount, but one of these will last a week. And I just want to do a quick demo on how I go about cleaning them, because I've seen some videos which show an enormous amount of this isopropyl propyl alcohol and salt and a bag and a big mess. So yeah, all you need for my process is the isopropyl alcohol, 1 cotton bud, 1 baby wipe. That's it. Start to finish. We're at 1 minute 30 now. What you do, you'll also need a lighter. What you do, you pop a little bit in there. That kind of gets the mouthpiece cleaned up. Just get your finger, jam it in there. Give that a good clean out. That doesn't really get too dirty, but it's good to give it a clean while you're there. Put that aside, give it a rinse later. Then you are simply grabbing a baby wipe, putting the baby wipe on the end of a cotton bud, popping it in the end. Oops. Popping it in the end. Spin it around, you've done half the pipe already. Then you can get a little bit of juice in the cone, but the cone is very hard to clean on these. It's all in there, so you just have to rely on at least you getting the filth out of the pipe, which is really important. So once you've got the cone out, give that a clean, maybe swap it over onto a new piece. You can use the same section, just get it back in there, jam it through, brings it all the way like that. Nice and easy, right? It's pretty clean there already. Now you got this nasty stuff that's in there. What do you do with that? Grab your lighter, just heat that up a bit. It is flammable, but it's not going to explode in your face or anything like that. Get it nice and warm in there. These glass pipes are designed to absorb heat, so it's safe to heat them up, obviously. And then you're just stuffing the baby wipe in there. As it gets tighter, you start to screw it in. And pretty quickly you'll see it starts to clean itself up. There's a little bit of stuff left in there. I can just heat that up, put a bit more in. I've literally used a tablespoon of this alcohol. Get another clean section in. Get it up that tube, because I seem to have missed a few pieces in there. In and out. And with whatever's left in there, as you can see, it's fairly sparkling clean. Tiny bit on the end there, you can go back in. We're at 4 minutes and 30. Entire video. Jammed in there again. Rotate it. Pretty gross, but at least that stuff ain't in my lungs. That nice little bit out there. That's it. Give it a rinse out. Put your comb back in there, let it dry. Alright, get my body paste back on there, mouthpiece. Leave it on the windowsill to dry and you've got yourself a brand new clean, ready to go for the next time, glass pipe for your medical marijuana joy. Thanks for watching and goodbye. Peace.